Alright, what up y'all? So I got a quick trick for y'all for putting on rubber gloves. Now, I know you're staring at the ground right now, but that doesn't matter. Just bear with me because what I'm about to do is going to blow your mind. So, you're working on something, you know, you got rubber gloves on, you take them off because you always take them off. No one likes wearing rubber gloves, right? So you lay them on the bench. You got to come back and put them back on all the time, and you don't want to get your hands dirty. So what do? You got a rubber glove that's inside out, right? Now you can, you know, put it the other way and beat it on something. But the quick trick is, are you ready for this? You turn it right side out the way it would be, okay? And now you do this. Grab some air, seal it up, and now you put your glove back on. And now, the glove goes back on. And you can repeat this as many times as you need as long as it doesn't have too big of a hole in it. So, that's my quick trick for putting on rubber gloves. I know it probably just blew all y'all's minds. You're welcome. You can leave in the comments and thanking me. So, let me know in the comments if this blew your mind, if you never thought of doing this. And don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there. Later.